Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Suzuki Boulevard S40. This really cool lightweight cruiser, 650 cc's, fuel injection, and the best thing about it, only 104 miles. It's got a really cool black satin metallic paint scheme, blacked out wheels, blacked out engine. Come on by, make your lightweight Boulevard S40 dreams come true for just $52.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. $104 miles. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.